Right, so I'm going to do a bit of plastic welding here on this part. Don't know what type of plastic it is. I presume some sort of nylon. See, it's broken there. Alright, so I have my soldering iron heating up here with the hot knife in it. I'm just going to cut a bit of MIG wire to put into it as well. Ideally you'd want thinner wire. This will do. So I want to cut a few little bitty ends of this. This will be my reinforcement on the repair. You can get an old plastic stapler that'll do this for you. Lots to do with a soldering iron. Should be enough. Got a bit more in a minute if I need it. Right, so the first thing I'll do is I will stick these two together. So all I'm doing here is melting the plastic together. Pull a bit in from each side. You don't want to go too deep on this, because if you do, you're going to break it elsewhere. Right. Now when that's done, I'll smooth it out. Just a little bit. There we go. Now before I put in these wires, I'll flip it, stick the underside of it. Now we'll put one wire here. If we can get it there. You want to heat the wire, push it into it. Like this. See that there? And then cover it back over with plastic. Shit. Rocket. Probably put a mask on you when you're doing this, that's it. Now, to the far side. Two wires. See the strength in that there already. See, can we put two more on it? Might be pushing our luck here now. One. Two. See them disappeared in there. So I might put two more. Along the edges here. Like that. I don't think there is a need, but we'll jazz it up. Make sure you get the wire down, especially in this case, because I need to put a bolt on top of this. The wire needs to be below the surface. It needs to be covered in plastic so that it's captive, so that it's actually doing something for you. Because if the wire is not caught in it, you might as well not have it. Fold that back over there. Butter it on like a slice of bread. One. Get this one in a little bit. I found that one a bit hard to do. No. Laser. Two. Oh, fuck. And that's it. You'd hardly know I was at it. If I gave it, see that? And if I gave it a rub of the sander, you definitely wouldn't know. See that there now? Still flexed where it's broken, but there's enough strength in it to hold it. See there? So this could put an angle bit of wire in there, like turn a 90 on it and put it in there. But I'm not going to bother. I don't think I need to. There you go. Chinny.